Welcome back. It's your girl, Blissful Travels. I'm going to take you all along with me to a new island off the coast of Panama. This island is called Taboga. Before I take you, like and subscribe right now. All right, let's go. Taboga is located 30 minutes off the coast of Panama, and we did venture straight from the city to get there. I will say adapting to Panama City was fairly easy. Given that I live in Dallas, going to city made it much smoother. I also love how cheap Uber is in Panama City. Like, this ride was only $6, you guys. Once you arrive to the area in Flamingo Bay to get on the ferry, there's this cute cafe that you will see, and of course I opt for an espresso. How could I not? I highly recommend that you all purchase a ticket for the ferry at least 24 hours in advance. We arrived on site after not being able to do that online, and whenever we showed up, all the tickets were sold out. I also would say bring your passport along with you and try to get there at least 20 minutes before the ferry leaves, just to make sure everything goes smooth and you have no problems boarding. The ticket was only $17.22, so it's not bad. It was a round trip ticket. I will also say if you get motion sickness or seasick easy, just go ahead and bring some medication just in case. As you know, my channel is about views and vibes, so we're gonna vibe out as I take you to the island. Upon arrival, when you all get there, you will have a quick security checkpoint. The policia will look at your belongings, very short and sweet, don't worry. And then after that, you have the option to either go venture around the island, it's very small, or you can also just go straight to the beach. The second time that I visited Taboga, we did not get coffee beforehand, so I did stop right here to get some. It was only $1.50, and they had the best empanadas for $1. You have to stop here if you visit. Chairs and umbrellas are available to rent. The chairs were $6 and the umbrellas were $8. Taboga is known as the Island of Flowers. It's a volcanic island that has a lot of history. I will say I was taken aback. I didn't realize how beautiful this island is. The ocean water that crests around this island is so soft and silky. When you get out of it, it's like your body just went through an exfoliating bath, you know? It feels so good. Safe and comfortable the entire time while visiting Taboga. I did not travel here solo, but even if I did, I would have felt the exact same. do think it's worth visiting. If you do come, just be mindful of the tide here. As I'm showing you, there's times it's low and others it's extremely high. So just make sure that you know where your belongings are and keep an eye on them, because the tide does change pretty quickly here. Again, you are more than welcome to go explore the island, and you can also leave at the time that you chose via ferry. I do say it's worth visiting. If you are a beach guy or gal, you should check it out.
Love life, tell me where it's love, love life, tell me where it's love.
Drone footage of Taboga and Panama City, so stay tuned. Go ahead and like and subscribe right now, don't forget it. But thank you for watching this video. I will see you all very soon.